your home of latest entertainment updates, celebrity news and lifestyle, politics and 247 news updates. Welcome to Mr. Legit Gossiper. Nigerian music sensation Wizkid has extended his hands of generosity to a young man who dedicated a hype song for him. It all started when the Hypeman Money G took to his Instagram page with a video featuring him hailing big wizz with melodious voice and beats. Few minutes after dropping the video, Wizkid, who is currently on music break, took to his comment section and pens 20 meters for you. However, in the latest video, it captured the young man being over the moon with popular comedian Salo, as Wizkid has already blessed him with a substantial amount of 20 million naira.
Hello. Hello.